Welcome to section 4, Less Nesting. In this section, we will learn about nesting. Now, what do you mean by nesting? We are going to try and break down one of the more complex enhancements provided by Less. You may have heard about nesting in other coding languages you may have worked with, or even remember working with tables where nesting often occurs, placing tables within tables. Nesting with Less is not that dissimilar. With Less, it simply is writing rules within rules. We all should understand the principles behind CSS specificity. You can increase the specificity of a definition by using their parent classes. As this is something we often do when we need to make minor changes to a shared class in a specific area. Less went ahead and simplified that for us. So instead of writing your code like this, where you would have multiple blocks of CSS to define the varying specificity so that the intro text class has a red text color, and then a second block to change the spans colors within that intro text section so that they would appear green. You can instead write a single block of code like this. As you can see, the second block of code, we now have the spans styles nested within the intro texts block, which I'm sure you will agree makes it quicker to write, but it also makes it easier to understand while keeping your development styles a bit cleaner by grouping all related items closely together. Then when your Less file gets compiled, it will actually look very much like our first block of code, or how we are currently writing our CSS to control specificity. In our next video, writing Less nested rules, we are going to take a step further into nesting with some working examples and see nesting in action within our website.